Writing a product review, script, or a blog post is not easy for beginners. In this video, I will show you step by step on what it takes so that even if you are a complete beginner, with the help of AI, you can create amazing product review video scripts. You need to know how to research, find the best products, and write an unbiased review that will help people make informed decisions on what to buy. AI can do all these for you. In this video, I will show you step by step how to use AI even if you are a complete beginner starting today. But before that, we need to know the basics of a compelling, high-converting product review video script. Oh yes, I have written the script of this video using AI. The whole journey is recorded in a complete series of over-the-shoulder screencast recordings. It was simple, easy, and huge fun. Check the link in the description to get access to complete video training series. Oh yes, if you want access to my list building software 100% free that will help you build targeted buyers list from your videos, find the link in the description as well. Hi, my name is Mosh Barry. I am a 7-figure per year digital entrepreneur, affiliate marketer, and my company builds softwares that help people to build profitable businesses online. So what is a product review video script and why should you care? A product review video is a bit different from regular video content. It is more of a tutorial or an in-depth guide or how-to video. The review videos are intended to help people make informed decisions on what to buy. A regular review will promote a product and share its price, but an in-depth review will talk about pros and cons of the product, compare it to similar products, show demonstrations, features, customer experiences, ratings, and other important details. So how to use AI for beginners for writing in-depth product review video script. AI writing software solutions use a unique and a very new technology to help people with writing. They can help you look for information, check grammar, summarize, fetch ideas, complete sentences, and translate the content into other languages. There are a couple of AI writing tools or softwares. Actually, there are many. Grammarly, Wave Spellers, Writer's Assistant, Jarvis, WordTune, Pro Writing Aid. All of these software solutions are good, but everyone has their own pros and cons and limitations. Grammarly will help you correct grammar mistakes that may have been made by mistake or not being aware of proper formatting, but it does not have enough languages to translate into. WordTune is best for people who need translation and language detection. Pro Writing Aid software is good for people who are not native English speakers or have a pre-existing strong grammar. It will help with spotting any mistakes that may have been made. It will also detect overused words and glitches, find spelling errors, help with natural phrases of sentences, improve readability, all of which are very useful for crafting quality content. The best thing about Pro Writing Aid is that it has an easier learning curve than other software solutions on the market. It's intuitive and easy to use because all buttons are located on one page. It also uses a lot of tutorials to get you started on how to write your content with it. Sapling will then provide you with different angles that you can write your article or content about. The topics are pulled from what's trending on the internet, so it's always up to date and relevant. Blaze software is awesome for anyone who wants to improve their writing skills with just a few clicks. You can use it when you are looking for content ideas, editing your blog posts, or when you are composing social media messages. Particularly convenient for marketing experts, journalists, bloggers, and creative writers. I currently use Jarvis. I found it's one of the best AI writing tool for beginners. They have a free trial period, and if you don't like them, they will refund your money. Jarvis has a lot of users. Jarvis is building their artificial intelligence, and they have a nice community of users. You can ask questions in the community and find what you need. This is an evolving technology, and every day a new software is coming out with a better and easier solution. I will put the link in the description of the best software that I love to use right now. There are 3 essential steps of the product review writing process. Number 1, research. Number 2, taking notes. And number 3, scripting. Step number 1, research. It is important to do research before writing a product review script. This is because you want to have all the possible information before putting together a well-written and informative review. Without research, it's literally impossible to write a compelling and complete review. When you research, look for how and what other reviewers are reviewing. Why do people like those reviewers? Research about the product, common features, unique features, benefits of the features, pros and cons, customer reviews and rating, price point, sell or discount information if any, and the commission you are going to earn as an affiliate. Step number 2, take notes. Take notes when you research. It can be just outline or bullet points in a notepad, document, notebook, or even your mobile device. Finally, step 3, scripting. The final video script should contain 3 main parts. Part number 1, a good first sentence or hook. A hook is where you can mention the main benefit or function of the product. This first sentence determines whether your viewers are going to watch your video or not. Part 2, talk about the product, its features, pros, and what makes it different from other similar products. Then you should include the cons that are not as significant as pros. However, some people prefer to list cons first because they are more negative points than pros. Finally, explain why this product is ultimately worth buying by highlighting its quality features and compare it with other products with similar features. Try to use customer reviews and ratings of existing customers in your script to make more persuasive points. This builds your trust and authority. And finally, part number 3, add a call to action or CTA. Just ask the audience to buy from your link. Adding a call to action is necessary to make sales because it says, hey, buy from my link, and displays your credibility. It shows that you are actually confident about the product you are reviewing and want people to buy. If you're shy to ask, just tell them if they want to buy, they can use your link as a shortcut. And yes, give them any coupon or any discount information if you have one. How to find the best products to write a product review. Identify products that solve problems. You can do this by looking at problems or asking people what they need help with, or read customers' comments online about their problems and products. Look at those products, read customers' reviews, and try to understand what they love and hate about the product. Another way is to look at the features of any popular product and Google what problems those features solve. This is something like reverse engineering that can turn you into an expert of any topic or product. Find products you and other people are passionate about. One of the best ways to find products is by looking at most popular ones on Amazon. It's a good idea to look for products that have more than 100 reviews with an average rating of 4 stars or higher. One of the best things you can do is to find products with branding potential. That way you will be able to expand your customers base and increase sales. Find trends and hop on trends early. You can jump on trends before they become popular. This way you will be the first to do it and everyone will notice. To locate hot trends, you can use BuzzFeed. BuzzFeed provides a wealth of social news and entertainment. Google Trends, BuzzSumo, Quora, Reddit, Spread Social, Radian6, and industry-leading publications in your market. Find products that fulfill guilty pleasures. If you want to make the most money, sell things that people can't stop buying because they can't stop loving them. Example, people like to indulge in food or drinks that are not really good for them. Let's say chocolate is an item many people can't give up even if they're trying to be healthy. Because who doesn't like chocolate? Side note, I'm not inspiring you to sell bad or unhealthy products here. I'm just giving you an example to get some inspirations when you research. That's it. Now it's your turn to start scripting your review videos. By the way, I used AI to write the script of this video. Find the link in the description that details step-by-step over-the-shoulder recording on how I have done it. Like this video if it was good, hit the subscribe button and switch on the notification bell button if you like to get notified when we upload the next video, and I will see you in the next video.